Maintaining a healthy diet doesn't have to be complicated. Here are some easy diet tips that can help you make nutritious choices and improve your overall well-being. 1. Eat whole, unprocessed foods. Choose foods that are as close to their natural state as possible. Whole foods like fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains are packed with nutrients and fiber. 2. Portion control. Be mindful of portion sizes to avoid overeating. Use smaller plates and bowls to help with portion control. 3. Hydrate adequately. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes, thirst is mistaken for hunger. 4. Balanced meals. Aim for balanced meals that include a source of protein, a variety of colorful vegetables, and whole grains. 5. Snack smart. Choose healthy snacks like yogurt, nuts, fruits, or vegetables to curb hunger between meals. 6. Limit sugary drinks and added sugars. Reduce consumption of sugary beverages like soda, fruit juices, and energy drinks. Read food labels to identify and minimize foods with added sugars. 7. Cook at home. Preparing meals at home gives you control over ingredients and portion sizes. It also allows you to make healthier choices. 8. Practice mindful eating. Pay attention to what you eat. Avoid distractions like TV or phones during meals, and savor each bite. 9. Include fibre-rich foods. Fiber helps with digestion and can keep you feeling full longer. Foods like beans, whole grains, fruits, and vegetables are high in fiber. 10. Limit processed foods. Highly processed foods are often high in unhealthy fats, sugars, and sodium. Minimize your intake of items like chips, cookies, and fast food. 11. Choose healthy fats. Opt for sources of healthy fats like avocados, nuts, seeds, and olive oil while reducing saturated and trans fats. 12. Plan and prepare. Plan your meals and snacks ahead of time to avoid impulsive, less healthy choices when you're hungry. 13. Eat mindfully. Listen to your body's hunger and fullness cues. Don't eat just because it's mealtime, eat when you're genuinely hungry. 14. Don't skip meals. Skipping meals can lead to overeating later in the day. Try to eat regular, balanced meals and snacks. 15. Read food labels. Pay attention to nutrition labels to make informed choices about the foods you consume, including serving sizes and ingredients. 16. Practice moderation. You can still enjoy your favorite treats, but do so in moderation. The occasional indulgence is okay. 17. Seek support. Consider working with a registered dietitian or nutritionist for personalized guidance and support in achieving your dietary goals. Remember that making small, sustainable changes to your eating habits over time can lead to lasting improvements in your diet and overall health. It's not about perfection, but rather creating a balanced and enjoyable approach to eating that works for you.